Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to save picture or videos from your Snapchat to your gallery. So let's open Snapchat. Let's take a picture. Now on the bottom left corner you can see this download button. When you tap it, you can see these two options, memories or memories and camera roll. So you can select memories and camera roll and you can save it to your memory and camera roll. And if you want directly the picture to save in your camera roll, then you can do one thing. On the top left corner you can see this profile button, tap there. Now on the right side you can see this setting button, tap there. Scroll down and you can see memories, tap there. Now you can see save destination, save button, tap there and select camera roll only. So now your picture will be saved only to camera roll. Let's go back. Okay, let's take a picture. Now let's tap on the save button. It's saved to your camera roll. Let's go to the gallery. As you can see, the picture is saved to gallery. So that's all guys. Likewise, you can save picture from Snapchat to your gallery. Thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.